The Three Little Pigs, a tale of friendship and resilience. Once upon a time in a sunny meadow, there lived three little pigs. They loved to dance and play, but they knew they needed to build their own homes one day.
I will build my house quickly with straw. It's easy and I'll have more time to play.
And so the first little pig built his house out of straw, laughing and singing as he worked.
I will build my house stronger with sticks. It might take a bit longer, but it will withstand any storm.
With determination in his heart, the second little pig built his house out of sticks, carefully arranging each one to create a sturdy structure.
I will build my house the strongest with bricks. It will take time and effort, but it will be worth it in the end.
And so the third little pig set to work, meticulously laying brick upon brick to construct a solid and secure home. One day, a fierce storm swept through the meadow with howling winds and pounding rain.
Little pigs, let me come in.
Not by the hair on my chinny chin chin.
Not by the hair on our chinny chin chins.
Not by the hair on our chinny chin chins. Our houses are strong and you can't blow them down.
The wolf huffed and puffed, but the houses stood strong. The straw house wobbled and collapsed with a whoosh. The wolf huffed and puffed, but the houses stood strong. The sticks house, though it held firm against the wind, eventually succumbed to the relentless blowing, leaving the third little pig's brick house as the only one remaining standing.
Blast it! These bricks are too strong. I'll find another way in.
Determined to catch the pigs, the wolf devised a cunning plan. He climbed onto the roof of the brick house and attempted to enter through the chimney. However, the third little pig was prepared. With a yelp, the wolf tumbled down the chimney and into the pot of boiling water below, where he splashed and spluttered, unable to escape.
Ouch! Help! It's hot!
The three little pigs, having outsmarted the big bad wolf, come together in a joyful celebration. They dance in a circle, laughing and twirling with delight, their tails wagging and snouts beaming with happiness. And they all lived happily ever after.